Here's what's going on with Dave's old gyro. Oh, look what's alive!
Wow.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to Orange County. We're local.
Whoa, we're back.
Hey, you guys, welcome back to Protective Film Solutions parking lot.
Hey, these guys, you guys don't work? Where's Ryan and Danny to whip your back into shape? Hey! Welcome back to the vlog, you guys. Ryan, what's up, man?
Who let you back in?
What?
I mean, hey, welcome back.
Hummer. We were gonna pick it up, but we decided because it's got no air conditioning. There's no way I'm driving that to Temecula. It's like 100 degrees.
It's a dry heat.
It's a dry heat.
Come with us then.
Yeah, come with us. Come on.
I don't need dry heat.
I don't need dry heat. Man, that thing really, with the new lift and the tires, makes all other trucks look small. Like Danny's little baby Raptor.
It is Danny, so it makes
It is Danny. So we'll leave it here. We'll come back tomorrow. Dave's wrap is in the works with Brian. We went down the hallway and we're bugging him. Dave, you excited? New wrap?
Oh, it looks insane.
New wrap?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. We're going right now. Uber right there. We're off to Sheepy Race to pick up the Huracan. And we got some updates for you guys. Pretty exciting. I'm back! I'm back! And Dave's back too.
What's up, guys?
How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm sweating. It's humid. The maintenance slayer over here.
The maintenance slayer. How are you? New guy?
New guy.
What do we call him?
He's like the junior.
No, we're just gonna call you new guy. That's it, new guy. What happened? What happened to the car? What did I do? What didn't I do?
You didn't
I
do
take good
anything.
care of this thing, so don't tell me.
You did. It passed its cholesterol test, so it doesn't have any bad cholesterol.
I'm not a mechanic. I don't talk Johnny or anything remotely with. Like, what are you doing to my car with this?
Being a European car, uses synthetic oil. And long intervals, synthetic oil itself doesn't get to temperature as well.
Spit it out!
Just say it!
Come on! What's wrong with the car?
It starts getting sludge.
Oh, really?
Yeah, one of your timing gears, which about a month ago we
One of my
replaced
timing gears.
the solenoid, but this is actually actual.
This is what it looks good.
It's fine,
doesn't
you guys.
it? Right?
It's
Trying to upsell a different gear.
I mean,
I don't know.
I gotta stay in business somehow, right?
This is the thing that was setting off my car into limp mode and putting on an engine light.
It's a variable valve timing gear.
VTEC. That's VTEC.
It's VTEC. It's heavy. Is it expensive?
It's very expensive. They're about $1,000.
No.
Really? That's $1,000?
I'm not paying for this.
Why did it wear out? I don't even understand. It looks perfectly fine, to be honest. All the teeth
Inside
are
of
on it.
Well, inside of it,
there's-
they get worn down.
The
Kinda
cushions
like
get
Dave's couch cushions.
Oh boy, the boss is in the house. Bought a car.
I did.
Beautiful blue new Audi R8.
I don't really get influenced by people, but when you ride around with this crazy maniac, it's like, damn, rear-wheel drive's pretty fun.
Rear-wheel drive. There's no need for all-wheel drive unless you're one hell of a driver or you're in snow. And even then.
It snows in LA.
Not a sponsored plug, legitimately just his favorite thing. Dig in. We were just talking to Johnny about the tire slayer slaying, what's that thing called?
VTEC. It really is VTEC.
Yeah.
For a Lambo.
It really is. It essentially controls cam timing, cam angle. So in the low end of RPM, cam angle and overlap, there's a lot of overlap in taking the exhaust cam, so it produces a lot of torque. And as you rev, the cams do this. As you rev higher, the cams open. And then it generates power. So this
Way
controls
too
that.
much information.
It's pretty dirty and clogged up, causing it to not be able to compensate its target and then going into limp mode as you've been experiencing.
So what's inside of Dave that can't compensate for all the issues he has?
Cholesterol.
Cholesterol. Hey, you guys all want to start a fitness channel?
Go to the gym, speak for yourself.
I know you go to the gym. I go to the gym too when I make time. Oh, can you imagine? It would literally be like starting from day one.
Doesn't he look like
Sid? The sloth. Dude, you look like
Not
Sid the
impressed.
sloth. That's a beautiful, beautiful analogy.
This video is
Yeah.
sponsored by anti-bullying.
You're eating these. I wish I could eat these. I'm on a lifestyle eating program.
Yeah, but then follow his personal page and see how he eats when he goes to Vegas.
What's left?
He put the whole chingaderas in there.
We're missing stuff.
Intercooler.
Oh, okay.
Cooler.
So that thingy, this thingy right here,
Yeah.
it went where?
Buried all the way inside.
Take it apart so we can see. Take it apart.
Really? Down in that? Yep. He said that was $1,000.
I can't wait to send you an invoice.
That's a what? Rip off. You want Canadian pesos? That sounds about right for you.
Oh, what? Because the Mexicans? You're talking about bullying?
To nobody.
You talk all the and then you ask me to like back you up when someone wants to fight you.
You do carry those guns, man. You got them guns on you.
How long to put this back together so we can go and test out all the new tuning? 40 minutes, yeah. Double anything Johnny says.
All right, big shot. Let's see your new supercar. No, he has an RWS rear-wheel drive R8, the car I always wanted that Damon did not buy me.
One of one?
Yeah, so as you know, at RWS, there's 999 of them made.
Sure.
Did you know that, Damon?
I'm sure that
Is that tattooed somewhere on your arm?
I'm sure that the manufacturer is really keeping the numbers on bar.
They really are. There's a tag on the dash, dude.
That's official. One in this color in all of the U.S. What are you doing to it? Oh, you're turboing it.
Oh, you don't say.
You don't
I
say.
drove it stock for a week and a half. I'm like, yo, this thing's super slow.
You don't want to supercharge it?
Jeez. Oh, look at this. Why do you have the turbo, like...
Housing's off.
Yeah, housing.
Just the impeller in there right now.
All right, so the compressor housings are off because right now we're focusing on the stainless building. So, which we don't need that. See, the compressor housings we need once we do the intercooler stuff, which we'll do tomorrow. Yeah. But these guys literally pestered me for 2 days to go center exit exhaust. So,
Looks cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
It'll be up
Makes
and running
sense.
by Friday.
Again, all the normal components. What's that?
Precision turbos,
Precision.
mirror image.
Yeah.
I'm a cheap. This is my car, so stainless exhaust.
You didn't use titanium.
Hey, crazy, it's expensive. I got bills to pay.
Yeah. So this is the new shop car. Sheepy shop car.
Yeah.
SS. We can go play.
I want you to see. I want to see what you can do. Put your rims and your tires on it because I can't afford tires.
Don't worry, I have a tire sponsor. Shout out to Gladiator.
Johnny, where's the keys to the Mini Cooper? We're gonna get some oil for you. What oil do we need? I need to rewatch this when we get to the store to figure out what oil it is.
530 synthetic.
530 synthetic, 540 synthetic, 1050 synthetic. Got it.
Damon, I got the R8 replacement.
I know, I was just about to say, Dave's brand new car is here, you guys. The reveal. This is Johnny's Mini?
Johnny is disgusting. How old is this muffin? How long's that been there for?
What is up with
There's
that?
a few artifacts in here. Well, come
Here, take
inside.
this, take this.
Yeah, just watch out for that napkin, that Kleenex right there.
Probably done something nasty in here.
Johnny have this?
Well, I don't know why he's have this.
Johnny has the weirdest vehicles.
Why does it say Booty Hustlers?
He has a 6-foot Impala and a Mini.
A broken 6-foot Impala.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Sneak peek, something's getting refreshed in there.
All right, road trip to Walmart to get oil for the Lamborghini.
We're going to Walmart?
For your car, we are.
Oh. Autozone.
Okay, we need 1040 non-synthetic. 020, that's the stuff we want right there.
For real?
No.
What? Stop messing with
Jamie, remind me. Jamie, what do we need again? Because Johnny said.
530 synthetic.
Okay, cool, thanks. 530.
520. Is that too far off?
Do you need high mileage at this point?
Pretty much. I'm not gonna lie. When I come into an AutoZone or car parts store, I actually get a little bit of anxiety. I've never talked about this. This is so foreign to me. But some of you give me a hard time, bust my balls because I don't know anything mechanical. Look, I'm a driver. There's a difference between a driver and a mechanic and a tuner, and like, I'm the driver. All right? What are you? He's neither.
I make jokes.
You do. You're funny.
Ready to do this?
Yeah, let's see. Do we have the right stuff?
I don't know. I'm gonna mix them up so
You said 530. We're good.
One's 530, one's 1040.
By the way, again, mobile, not a sponsored plug. Not a sponsor. Back to the shop. Hey, can we stop and get a snack? I'm hungry. Oh, do you want to put those on here?
Yeah. We can only show the audience like the first couple letters.
Okay.
That one out. Yeah. Can you guess what we're spelling, boys and girls?
There you go. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
B Cooper.
How do you know, Johnny? This cost us like $19, so don't take it off.
Yeah, do not. No,
It's
you know
also-
what? The best part is Johnny won't take it off.
They're like, that's
Even when-
cool.
yeah. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing.
Oh, are you flossing
Yeah,
with the oil?
the flossing.
Okay, let's go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Johnny's waiting. Honey, we're home with the oil, the lubricants that you requested. You're rocking the BMX now? Yeah. You're a pro BMX rider? I had to. Do something. Whoa! Whoa! What the hell's going on? Since when can you ride a BMX?
You know.
How we doing? Everything else is good? Oh, wow. Look at that. All put back together. Where does the oil go in here? Where's it go? Yeah, it goes. Where'd you get a Mini from? I don't understand where the Mini came from. It didn't really seem, hold on, it didn't seem quite like it was a Johnny vehicle, so we had to personalize it and make it custom. We took care of you, bro.
We got you, bro.
We got you, bro.
I like that.
Do you like that?
That was a lot of work, dude.
See, I knew you would just really appreciate it.
It looks good. It looks like it came like that from
You
England.
gotta appreciate the fact that when people pull up behind you, it's gonna be nothing but smiles.
Taking it off.
Smiles for miles. I knew he wouldn't. I knew he wouldn't take it off. I knew he wouldn't take it off.
Alex, shoot flames. Did you know that?
Alex, did you know it shoot flames?
It's shot a flame. I don't think it heard you.
Hey, Alex, did you know it?
From the exhaust. Alex.
All right, we got vlogs, we got logs. You like that? I was just dying to say that because it rhymes. Alex was logging stuff as he's tuning the R8. Oh, look what's alive! Hey, hey-oh, hey-oh.
Is there oil in it? I hope there's oil in it.
You think there's oil in it?
I hope so.
I'm gonna go drive it to make sure that it feels the way it
You
should
think you
feel.
can handle this? It's rear wheel drive, 1,000 horsepower, twin turbo.
I don't.
It has 1,000 horsepower, bro.
In case you didn't know.
Oh, shit's really nice.
Yeah.
Oh! This is too good for David. Make it way worse. Zero downshift. Alex is the man.
Yeah,
I always say good things about you, and David was always like, rah, rah, rah. I'm like, no, no, no.
Hey,
He's a good
The
guy.
new can code is much better. Look at that. Can't even feel no transition.
Oh, it feels like stock.
Like that up.
Yeah! There we go. You guys, it feels amazing.
Dude, I am so happy.
It feels amazing. Wow, it was amazing. Alex is in tuning mode right now, so he's not here to joke around. He's making sure the car is perfect.
Yeah.
And the smile on his face indicates good things are happening.
I only drive these things when I got a test drive. I'm shit. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Smooth like butter. I'm going to be very happy.
Why?
The shift's amazing. Like stock.
Oh, like I'm gonna take his advice on how it shifts.
It does! He drives like a yardo.
I know.
Yeah, the gyro shifts like it wants to beat you up.
Oh, it's like falling out of this truck now. This thing is such a beast. Look at this, you guys. Holy, those new 40-inch Gladiator tires. What are you doing? Look at the size of this thing. How tall are you?
6'2".
Stand beside, like get over here, stand by the tire.
I'm 6'2", that's my
Dave's
weight.
6'2" and that thing's above his hip. Look at that.
I love it. X-Comp, you
It's
killed it.
so huge now. So we finally made it to a random hotel, really simply because there were no other hotels that could take us. Plans changed. And then we have a huge, crazy like update on something you guys have been wanting to know a little bit more about, which is Dave's Gallardo that was crashed.
Okay, dude.
Here's what's going on with Dave's old Gallardo. A fellow Canadian bought it. His name is
Mac.
Mac. He bought the car at auction and he's gonna rebuild it.
Yes.
And he was saying that we are invited, or you are invited, or we're invited, or just I'm invited.
Just me.
To watch this car get rebuilt. Now, do you guys want to see this car getting rebuilt? Do you want to know what's going on? We have a personal video.
You guys enjoy this content.
What's up guys, this is Mac and I'm the new owner of Dave's Wrecked Lamborghini. So let's take a look at the extent of the damage on this car, what it looks like I'm gonna need to replace, as well as what I've already got done to the car. Back here is a little bit scary guys, but it is all fixable. Scariest part is the brace that connects from here to here. There is a metal bar that is there that the upper control arm attaches to. That actually ripped completely out in the accident. It is a crumple zone for the car, so it is designed to break there first, and it is replaceable, which is good, thankfully. This fuel tank, it did get hit in the accident. It got dented in pretty good, but unfortunately, guys, I think this tank is gonna have to be removed. this whole engine may have to be removed, so I'm not too happy about that, but it is what it is. So the only bodywork to be done on this car is actually on the right rear quarter panel. We were originally going to try to fix it, but it is aluminum and it is very hard to fix. I did end up finding a wrecked Gallardo down south I plan on going to visit later this week, and we're going to cut that section of the car out and weld it onto this car. It's really not that bad, but it is cracked slightly, so that may have to be replaced. The right rear rocker panel is a little wavy, but it isn't too bad. We can probably fix that as well. So this thing is officially the knuckle slayer because it cracked the knuckle right off. There it is. So this is all the damaged stuff. It's pretty heavy, but that's the shock that's broken. That's the lower control arm with the snapped knuckle in it still. It's pretty clear that this car got hit pretty good because that whole rim is split. So what do you think of the car, you guys? Do you think it's worth fixing? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys soon.